kitchen vocabulary. Kitchen. Kitchen. The room or area in a house where food is prepared and cooked. Apron. Apron. A protective garment worn over clothes to keep them clean while cooking. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. A machine used for washing dishes. Stove. Stove. A cooking appliance with one or more burners or hot plates used for heating or cooking food. Oven. Oven. A kitchen appliance used for baking, roasting, or heating food. Refrigerator, fridge. Refrigerator, fridge. An appliance used for keeping food and beverages cool and fresh. Sink. Sink. A basin with a faucet used for washing dishes, hands, and food. Knife. Knife. A sharp tool used for cutting, slicing, and chopping food. Cutting board. Cutting board. A flat board used for cutting and chopping food. Pan. Pan. A shallow cooking container with a handle, used for frying, sauté-copyrighting, or baking. Plate. Plate. A flat dish on which food is served. Bowl. Bowl. A round, deep dish used for holding liquids or food. Blender. Blender. An appliance used for blending or pureeing food and liquids. Toaster. Toaster. An appliance used for toasting bread or other food items.